Hello YouTube, what's up? Today I'm very excited to bring this tutorial on logo mockup, and in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create a logo mockup for your brand and use it creatively on various social media platforms. Now in order to do so, we need a logo mockup PSD file. Now you could download the logo mockup PSD file from any of the websites, but I'll recommend pixelbuddha.net. You could go to that website, go to freebies and mockups, and if you like their mockups, you can go ahead with their paid ones also. So I have downloaded one logo mockup PSD. Now what's a PSD file? A PSD file is a collection of Photoshop layers, and when they merge into one picture they create a three-dimensional kind of an effect. For example, the PSD file that I have opened up on my computer has different layers, as you can see, and now this has been pre-designed by the author, so I have just downloaded it and I'm using it. Here background is specified, then you could, if you click on this layer, you have two options to select the color of the paper. For example, this eye next to the layer indicates the layer visibility, so if I select the black, I can deselect the white paper, but I'll go ahead with the white one. And similarly, there are other options in the gold, letter, silver, letterhead printing. So depending upon your preference, you can select a particular layer and deselect the other one. And when you download this PSD file, you'll get one layer which says place your design here, so you need to double click on that, and it says after editing the contents we'll need to make changes into this particular layer so that those changes are reflected in the main PSD file. So I'll say OK. Now this is currently a blank layer, so we would want to place our logo here, so you need to have your logo ready with you. Let me just select one logo here. So you could drag and drop the logo here, and then you'll need to resize it. Alright, and then on this particular layer I would save the changes, and when I go back to my main logo mockup PSD, I would see the logo there on the sheet of the paper that I've selected. Now here further I have few options, like I can deselect the texture so that the actual color of my logo shows up here, or I can turn this logo entirely into silver, so on and so forth. But I would keep this in my original colors, and then you can go ahead and click on file and save as, and save this as a JPEG. And that is how you can create a logo mockup for your brand. And this looks decent when you want to do branding on the advertising platforms like Google Plus or Google My Business. And in the entire logo package you will find a few such mockups, and you could visit the website and download freebies and then proceed on yourself doing these mockups. And I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you so much for watching the video, and you have a good one. Bye.